Okay, let's try this. You're not gonna see very much from there. Yeah. See, I'm gonna have a little bit of a difficult time just to get this in there. Oh, that's right. I gotta clean this stuff off. Well, it's not bad. I'm just gonna put this top one up there. Actually, I'm gonna put this one down at the bottom, I think, because there's all kinds of paint on it. Jeez. What's wrong with them? Maybe they, oh, I know what it was probably. When they sprayed the door, they must not have this off, the weather stripping. And then before they painted the jamb, they thought, oh, hey, let's just pull the weather stripping off. That would happen to be at the top, I think. Okay, so it's got a groove on it, and gotta make sure there's no paint on this edge, you know. And it just kind of fits in there. Just push a little bit at a time, and it goes right in. If you're having an issue, you can pull part of it down just to make sure that it's pushed up all the way, like that. Then you can start working on the side pieces. And there's a definite way to put it in. Which way is the top and bottom? You'll figure it out nice and easily. Okay. And you just work your way on down. Make sure this is the right one for this piece, which it is. I can get that. When you think you have it all the way, I just kind of pull that back. Make sure it's pushed in all the way. Because believe it or not, sometimes you can find that it's not in all the way, and then maybe it affects your door or it starts tweaking. I noticed a place where the painters had pushed this back in. I pulled it back out because they forgot to do a couple things. And from the bottom on up, about a foot, it wasn't in properly, and I looked at that and I thought, what's the deal here? So, in any case, that's how you do that. And I'll end up putting these other two pieces up. You can't really see what I'm doing. I think I'll get you up here. I'll get you up here and kind of show you. Just see what I can do about it. And I'm gonna make a different video when I put in this weather stripping on all my exterior doors. But see, it just fits in there. See, you just fit that in there. Push it back in. It's easy to take out. Pretty easy anyways, if somebody hasn't painted all in there. Can you see there? I mean, there's no way you can cut in perfectly around this all the way back in there. None, absolutely none. Sorry about that. Or if you're painting this side of the door jamb, oh, I'll just put tape on there. I'll be real careful. No, sorry about that. You're gonna get it on here. I don't care if you put masking tape on it. Something's going to happen and it's going to bleed through the inside crack. Okay, so that's it. All right, so I'm going to put these other two pieces on and be done with this door and call it good. Oh, one more thing. Okay, now that all this weather stripping is on, close the door, you should get a nice good seal. And if I push on this door, see there's a little slop right there. The tighter I can get that to that weather stripping, the better of a seal I can get around it, right? Because this air is coming from underneath the house. Or, in your case, it could be coming in from outside. When you let go of it, it's fine. But if you push on it, you can see that I could get a better seal around this entire door. And you remember, if you've been watching my videos, you'll know that you can adjust this with this strike. And let's just see. This one happens to have the little goodie in there. Okay, so I can take my screwdriver and bend that out. See how I bent that out? Bent that out a little bit. I think I need to go just a little bit further. About like that. We'll see. Now I can close the door. I think I need to actually go more than that. I always check it a couple times. See, it's got to go even further. So I take my screwdriver in there, and there's a tab. In this particular strike plate, some of them don't have that little area you can put the screwdriver. So then remember, I would take this out, use my pliers, take that, put that in my hands, take the pliers and bend that out, put it back in. Try it again. I'm not going to mess with this too long, but you get the idea. It's better. It could even be a little bit more. Okay, so that's how you do that. All right. Well, my battery's flashing at me, and I'm hoping everything is okay. I've got to get a new battery and put it in here so I can keep making more videos for you. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.